What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update on Milady meme coin. It's been a while since I've covered this crypto, but as you can see it's pumped up about 15% in the last 24 hours. Even though it has been quite volatile, overall it has been moving towards a positive direction. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it if you are on a profit, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks. I'm going to try and cover the long term, but as most of you guys do know, this crypto hasn't been there for quite a long time. It's been there for about, let's have a look here, early May, so just about a month we've got data, so we won't be able to do the long-term prediction, but we'll get into that shortly. So as you can see, not a good day for the crypto market. Major drops, with ADA dropping 22% guys in the last 24 hours, EOS dropping 25%, Litecoin dropping 12%. So yeah, it hasn't been too great. Bitcoin is still hovering around $25,000, so most cryptos are down today, and the crypto market overall is down nearly 5%, but we do have Milady meme coin as one of the top gainers, as it has gained 15%. So we're going to be looking at where it's heading to next, and is there a potential pump coming soon. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you guys can see, in the last hour, Milady meme coin has pumped up over a percentage. Over the last day, it's about 15% up. Over the week, 14% down. As you can see, major drops here in early June, about earlier this week, and over the month over 700% up, with major increases here in early May. But as you guys can clearly see, since about mid-May, it's been doing nothing but dropping in value quite consistently, which is once again not looking too great. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up to $12 million in the last 24 hours. Only reason why it's gone up is because obviously the pump that's taken place earlier yesterday afternoon dropped back down, and even right now is pumping back up. So we are seeing a lot more traders, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot more people trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the hourly chart, and as you guys can see at the top, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Milady meme coin, which is here in purple. Now we can see it trading at a very similar value here in red, meaning more or less it's performing as it is meant to, and it's pretty much on target. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart, and then we'll move on to the hourly chart and potentially the daily chart, but we'll get into that shortly. But again, before I go into all of that stuff guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the 30-minute chart. Zooming in here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. Again, it's not looking too steep, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I do expect this crypto to go for a slight increase in value. Nothing too major, nothing too crazy. It is going to be minimal. So guys, do expect a very minimal increase in value. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to hit red candles in between. It's going to be quite volatile, up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now let's move on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days. What can we expect? So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of next week. We're not looking as good. As you guys can clearly see, we've got the blue and the orange line heading towards the bearish direction, looking quite negative, meaning drops in value are expected from Milady meme coin over the next week or so. Again, just like how it's been performing over the last week. So if we go back here, over to the weekly chart, it's been dropping 14%. Again, I'm not saying it's going to drop 14% over the next week, but pretty much somewhere in between there is what I'm expecting. But again, it's not going to be a major drop or a major crash or anything like that. Minimal drops are expected over the next week or so from Milady meme coin. But again, that also does not mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days. We are likely to see green days here and there in between, but again, the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So these are the short-term prediction. If I do move on to the daily chart, as you can see, the MACD indicator has literally disappeared. The orange line is not there anymore, and we've only got the blue line, which again is not fully completed yet. So that means we won't be able to do the long-term prediction on this crypto over the next couple of weeks. Only reason is there's not much data, there's not much historical data on this crypto, meaning it's not going to be accurate if I do the long-term prediction. And as you guys know, I don't want to provide you guys with false or inaccurate information, so we are going to stick to the short-term prediction. But if you guys want regular updates on this crypto about 3, 4, 5 times a week, comment down below and let me know how often you guys want this update, so then I can keep up with you guys and keep you guys in the loop on my predictions and my takes on this crypto and keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So again, I have seen a lot of people saying it's going to hit 1 cent by the end of the year. Some people are even saying 10 cents. You guys have to bear in mind, for it to hit that target, it's going to have to get rid of, let's have a look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 to 6 zeros is going to have to get rid of over the next, let's say, 6 to 7 months, which I'm not expecting from Milady meme coin. I'm not expecting it to hit 1 cent or even 0.001 cent. Again, I'm not saying it's not impossible. It is possible, but again, it's going to go through it's going to have to go through a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Milady meme coin. And as you guys can clearly see, the crypto market has been dropping quite a bit since the start of the year. Don't get me wrong, the first 2 months or the first month and a half of 2023 was great for the crypto market, and it's going through a major increases in value, so on and so on. However, ever since then, there hasn't been much movements, and even if there has been movements, it's been more towards the negative direction. And as you can see, ADA has dropped over 20% in value, which I will be making a video on it later on today to see, is it worth buying it, is it not worth buying it, is it going to crash, so on and so on. But again, make sure you guys stay tuned for that video as well, so make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And then at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.